take a look at this. It's amazing. It's fun. It's I don't know. Probably you can't see what it is, but it's ravens, I think, or crows. It's crows. And they are actually fighting against a smaller bird which we call kaya. It looks almost like crows, and it's a real war. The smaller ones do not like the crows at all, so they are trying to get rid of them. But now I just think they are talking to each other about something. But every now and then you can hear the crows and the smaller birds trying to get rid of them, and it's quite fun actually. But I realize it's quite hard to see, but as you can see, they're both smaller ones and crows, and it's a real war. They're trying to get every food they can because it's autumn here and every animal wants to have a lot of food to eat. And as I said before, it's war. I don't know if they call it war, but I can't find a better word for it.